Take time to review the full standard for professional learning and program evaluation using resources from ISTE and Fairfax County. Note that the standard includes 3 components. This analysis by Fairfax County organizes these components into literacies coaches may possess to demonstrate competency in the standard. Consider how the standard impacts the SBIT's role and influences the range of professional learning opportunities offered at sites across the division. Whether you are currently an SBITS or are considering becoming one, consider how you currently support and contribute to professional learning opportunities. With whom at your site do you or might you work to collect and analyze information and plan appropriate professional learning? What roles might you play in evaluating the impact of professional learning opportunities? Download the accompanying Module 4 companion document and use it to create your own goals for this module. What do you need to know or be able to do to successfully meet your goals? Consider reasonable action steps to help you meet those goals, and determine how you will know whether you have successfully done so. The following section introduces resources and some suggested activities you can use to plan for, deliver, and evaluate the impact of professional learning with an emphasis on coaching in the second objective. You may want to review those before finalizing your goals. You don't need to review all of the resources or complete all the suggested activities. You determine which resources will help you reach your goals and be successful, recognizing this may include resources not listed here.